Hi everybody, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. My lesson to you today is where is the best place to take your road test in Brooklyn. Now I'm gonna answer this with my honest and transparent answer ever. Many people in Brooklyn, they tend to believe that there is certain road test site that are better than another one. Then the honest answer to this is any places that you will be taking your road test in Brooklyn going to be the same. It's not gonna be any different from an order. And in fact, all the instructors that are on the side in Brooklyn, they are the same one that's gonna always be around. They're just circulating them around the road test site. Now, I will never tell you there is a road test site that is better than another one. What I will tell you is that once you prepare enough for you to pass your road test, wherever you take your road test, you're supposed to be able to pass your test. It is not about the best site for you to take your road test. The question is about you. How ready are you to take the road test? That's the question you should be focusing on. Many times students asking us, they need certain site. They said this site is better than that site. That's a myth. All the sites are the same because the same expectation from this site will be the same from the next one. Now, what would happen if I tell you that site is better and you go take your test, still don't pass? What's gonna be next? You do not wanna get any better site for you to do. Some will say it's Seaview. Some will say it's Star City. Some will say it's Red Hook, Coney Island. All the sites are the same. Is you to be ready to take your road test wherever you will be taking your road test. Do not let that myth get in your head that site is better. That's a no-no. Do what you're supposed to do. Take your test wherever you have to take the test, then you will be good. At Pierre Driving School, that's what we do best. We teach you, we train you, we show you how to drive so you can pass your test wherever you take your road test. It's all on you to pick up what you've learned and go on the road test and deliver based on what they're asking you. Once you understand this concept, it'll change everything for you when it comes down to road test site. It is not about the site. It has never been about the site. It's about you. If it was about the site, if this site was better than the other, that would be unfair to those who don't have a chance to take that road test on that site. It cannot be that way. Everybody have the same advantage. You have access to all the site. It's for you to prepare yourself. Wherever you go ahead and take the test, you should be able to pass it with no issue. Now, this is my thought and where is the best site for you to take your road test in Brooklyn. No such best site. All the sites are all the same. Get ready, prepare up, be road test ready, and take your road test. And about this, give us a call and try to find out how road test ready you are, because we have a lesson specifically designed for that. See if you are road test ready. Just been here with Pierre Driving School. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified anytime that we drop in any nuggets that can be beneficial to you as you relate to driving. Thank you.